Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is another two-step equation, but this time it involves fractions. But please don't run from this video. We're going to make solving two-step equations with fractions a whole lot easier because we're going to use a method known as the least common multiple. And we're going to find the least common multiple of 5 and 2 because they are the denominators in this particular problem. And so in the least common multiple means that we're just going to count by fives, 5, 10, 15, and 20. And let's count by twos. So we have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And I'm going to stop at 10 because, see, there's a 10 up here and a 10 down here, which means that 10 is the least common multiple or the first common multiple of 5 and 2. And we're going to actually use 10 to make our problem a whole lot easier to solve because I'm just going to rewrite 2c divided by 5 minus 1/2 equals 5. And we're going to put that in parentheses, and we're going to multiply everything inside the parentheses by least common multiple, which is 10. And we're going to multiply this 10 across the numerators, and you're going to see the magic that takes place because 10 times 2c would give us 20c over 5 minus 10 times 1/2, which will give us 10 over 2 is equal to 10 times 5, which will give us 50. Okay, now here's where it gets easier because you see 20 divided by 5 will give us 4, and we'll just tag the c along. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. And we'll just leave the 50 as is, and guess what? We have a two-step equation now in which we're going to add 5 to both sides because we want to get numbers on one side and variables on the other side. And so now what we have right here is we have 4c is equal to 55. And let's move over here to have some more room. Since we have 4c is equal to 55, we can now divide both sides of this equation by 4. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1c, or just c. And 55 divided by 4 will give us 13.75. And I'm just going to rewrite this as c is equal to 13.75. Although 13.75 looks like a strange solution to this equation, but when you plug it in, you will see that 13.75 will work and it will actually equal 5. You have been given quite a bit of information, but this would be a good time to pause the video and absorb the information. Understanding how the least common multiple method can really help you solve difficult two-step equations. Or you can replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of two-step equations involving fractions. Don't worry, more fractions, or I should say more two-step equations are coming right after this one. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and I do repeat, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.